Hello everybody. Today inshallah I'm going to give very simple tutorial about how can we compare rain gauge data with some raster data. If we have, for instance, like specific rain gauge stations, and we would like to compare with some other satellite data in ArcGIS. Very simple, we can do it very easily, just within a few minutes by a very simple tool in ArcGIS. Now we have these like rain gauge points in this file, rain stations at Mekong River Basin, and we would like to compare with some satellite data. For instance, we need to compare some like serial data, many if we have like raster data for annual data or monthly or daily, whatever. We can just compare or extract the data from many raster data, because if you do it manually it takes a long time. So if you have like 100 times series data or map and we would like to compare just these points, you can do it for just a few minutes. So how to do it? First, we can find the tool of sample here, sample spatial analyst, to create a table for comparison between this point and your target raster rain gauges, raster maps. So this is a sample tool. Here we will put the target rain gauge data. For instance, in our cases, we are using Persian data CDR from 1983, annual data until 2018. We will select all the data here and add it. And what is our target point? Features that we need to estimate or extract the data with these points. So we'll select the rain gauge points. Regardless the number, we can also here identify the name, like Mekong, rain, and Persian. Persian data. And here is like tools. We usually select it is optional, nearest point, and this is ID of each feature, which is point here. So run, finished. Very quickly, if we open the attribute, show some like ID and station code number, and XY longitude and latitude for each point, and here the year, every year estimation from satellite data. And then we can take this file and compare directly with the rain gauge estimation in Excel or any other files. So how to convert this data? So we can just export this data as geodatabase. So in that case we can open by Excel file, and this is the name, out file, or whatever the name that you want to save it, then save. So then you can compare the data. That's all today, very simple.